Can an LLC have DBA? Yes, an LLC can have a DBA, which stands for Doing Business As. A DBA lets the LLC operate under a different name than its legal name. For example, if your company is registered as Smith Holdings LLC, you could file a DBA to do business as Smith Landscaping. DBAs are helpful if you want to run multiple brands under one LLC, use a more market-friendly name, or expand into different industries without forming a new entity. The process usually involves registering the DBA with your state or county and paying a small filing fee. It's important to note that a DBA does not create a separate legal entity. The LLC still owns all assets and liabilities, and contracts signed under the DBA are legally tied to the LLC itself. Zen Business can help you register a DBA for your LLC so you can operate under the business name you want. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.